These how to 1 minute will show you how to add subscription to Shopify. Follow this step-by-step guide to add a subscription package to your Shopify website. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on products. Click on add product, and I'm giving the product title. And now add here your subscription package description, and you can add a media here. Now add here the subscription price and deselect this option. This is a physical product, and status select active and click on save. Once done, now we need to install an app. So click on add apps and click on Shopify App Store. Here search for subscription and we are going to install this app still subscription app. So install this app, click on install app, and here you will get this option, start selling my products as subscriptions. So click on next and enter here the plan name or subscription name. Click on select product, and now select the product you just created. Click on add, and now enter here the order frequency name. Select here order billing type. You can select pay as you go, auto renew. You can select prepaid one time. So I'm going to select here prepaid one time, and order frequency description. Enter the description here. Order fulfillment frequency. Add here. I'm giving here 1 month. Selecting the 1 month. Okay, billing frequency 1 month. You can enable offer discount for subscription here. Now click on add frequency plan. Then scroll up and click on next. Okay, my subscription has been successfully created. Now let's visit the store, and here we can see I've successfully added a subscription to my website. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.